As skilled hands, 2024 was a year of remarkable achievements, collaboration, and growth. It was a year filled with empowerment, creativity, and celebration as we worked tirelessly to inspire and transform lives. Our journey began with the support of the National Lottery Community Fund, which enabled us to kick off the year with a grand launch event, attended by the then Sheriff of Nottingham, councillors, development officers, Nottingham City Council staff, and workshop participants. The event set the tone for a year of innovation and impact. We shared our vision and plans with the community, igniting excitement for the work ahead. With the grand launch, we expanded our workshops to include morning and afternoon sessions, meeting the growing demand of our programs. This allowed us to employ a part-time office assistant, 4 skilled facilitators, and worked with 29 incredible volunteers and interns from Nottingham Trent University and the University of Nottingham. Together, we proved that a tree alone cannot make a forest. It takes a community to create meaningful change. This year, 86 women attended our free workshops, and 41 of them earned their NOCN certificates, a nationally recognized qualification that opens doors to employment, education, and entrepreneurship. In total, we ran 164 free workshops and 192 workshops overall, including our new evening paid sessions and after-school clubs. These achievements highlight our commitment to providing opportunities that empower and inspire. 2024 also saw skilled hands organizing 2 small business startup workshops. One was held by a well-known Nottingham-based artist, Emily Catherine, who shared invaluable insights on turning creativity into a thriving business. The second was hosted in collaboration with NBV, offering participants the tools and the knowledge to start and grow their enterprises. This year, Alex Norris, MP, honored us with a visit to one of our workshops, the jewelry making workshop. Not only did he engage with our participants, but he also rolled up his sleeves to join in creating an atmosphere of encouragement and solidarity. We also embraced the power of storytelling by launching interviews on our podcast channel, giving voice to inspiring stories of growth and transformation. These conversations allowed us to connect with a wider audience and amplify the impact of our work. In 2024, Skilled Hands had the opportunity to host 2 corporate well-being workshops. One of these was for the NHS staff at the Queen's Medical Hospital in Nottingham, and the other was for Living Without Abuse based in Leicester. Both workshops focused on staff well-being and included hands-on creative activities that allowed participants to relax, connect, and rejuvenate. These events were a testament to the transformative power of creativity and its role in supporting mental and emotional well-being. Our doors remain open to any organization looking to engage our services for their corporate well-being days. We would be delighted to partner with you to make it a memorable experience for your team. This year, we partnered with organizations like Integrate Education, Empower Women UK, and the NHS, amplifying our impact and expanding our reach. We also worked with talented artists, including sculptor Rachel Carter, whose work inspired our participants. These collaborations provided valuable learning experiences and strengthened our community network. On International Women's Day, we joined others at the Council House to celebrate women's achievements across Nottingham. Later, we hosted our own Pat on the Back celebration, welcoming women from all walks of life. Partnering with the NHS, we focused on healthy living, offering expert advice on diet and well-being, free blood pressure checks, and practical tips for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It was a day of connection and celebration. One of the year's highlights was our 4th annual Red Carpet event. This beloved event celebrated creativity, heritage, and community. In collaboration with sculptor Rachel Carter, we honored Nottingham's rich lace-making history. Women dressed in heritage-inspired garments walked the runway alongside with talented models, showcasing designs crafted in our dressmaking classes. The event featured 9 stunning models from Skilled Hands and Rhythm Nation studios. This event was supported generously by donations and fundings from the National Lottery community, Boots Nottingham, Impressions, and Asda Hyacinth Green. It was an unforgettable day where every woman was celebrated for her achievements. This year, 4 of our participants launched small businesses using the skills they learned as Skilled Hands. 2 others excelled in competitions and in first and second places, whilst 2 more began working professionally with their newfound skills. We also received recognition for our remarkable service to the community, with 1 award win and 2 further nominations. These achievements are a testament to the power of education, opportunity, and support. To inspire the next generation, we introduced after-school clubs. Our pilot workshop will be held on the 24th of January 2025 from 3:45 p.m. to 4:45 p.m. at the Mary Potter Children's Centre at Hyacinth Green. Spaces are limited, so we encourage parents to sign up now and give their children a head start in essential skills for the future. As we look back on 2024, we are filled with gratitude and pride. Yet, our work is far from over. Many participants still lack access to essential tools like sewing machines to practice their skills. You can support us through donations of cash, kind, or a sewing machine. You will help empower women and sustain our mission. Every contribution makes a difference. 2024 was a testament to the power of collaboration, creativity, and community. To our funders, partners, volunteers, interns, participants, and supporters, thank you for making this year so impactful. Together, we are crafting change, one stitch, one creation, and one empowered woman at a time. Many thanks to the National Lottery Community Fund and National Lottery players for believing in this project and supporting us. We couldn't have done this without you. And here is to an even brighter 2025. Join us as we continue to create, inspire, and transform lives.